Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and basic hardware. Battery charged, antenna attached, and connectors tight. Once powered, watch the LED patterns to verify boot. Next, you enter initial settings, select the correct frequency band and channel, and enable basic encryption so transmissions are private. Make sure to note the device ID and default password. You will change it immediately. This step prevents later connectivity issues and secures the link before you continue to pairing and configuration. Once initial power and security are set, put the wireless set into pairing mode and pair the units. You press the physical button or enter the PIN shown on screen. Then configure networking. Choose DHCP for simple setups or assign a static IP for fixed links and confirm subnet and gateway. After that, adjust transmit power and choose a clean channel to reduce interference. Save the configuration as a profile so you can restore it quickly if you reboot or move locations. You finish by validating the link, run ping tests, check RSSI and throughput so you confirm real-world performance. If results are weak, reposition antennas and tweak transmit power or channel. Small angle changes can improve signal dramatically. Once optimized, save final settings and update firmware for stability. If things go wrong, perform a controlled reset to the last known good profile, repair devices, and verify firmware. This often resolves persistent issues without replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.